Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Riddhi Radia, working as a systems engineer at TCS. If you are planning to crack TCS NQT 2025 and aim for a digital or a prime role, then this video is for you. I will break down best strategy to prepare efficiently and maximize your chances of getting selected. So make sure to watch till end. First things first, let's understand the structure of TCS NQT. The exam has two major sections, aptitude and coding. Aptitude contains cons, logical, verbal ability. If you are confident in aptitude, great. But if not, then focus more on your stronger area, either cons or logical reasoning. So you can at least score well in one of them. And remember, coding is the game changer. Aptitude is tricky for many students. If you are good at cons, practice cons all topics. If logical reasoning is your strong suit, focus on that. You can easily find important topics for cons and logical in YouTube. If you are good at logical, do all topic of logical so that you don't lose marks in that, and do only most important topics of cons and vice versa. Now the most important part, coding. If you want to get into TCS Digital, you must solve at least one coding question correctly. For that, daily practice is must. Topics to focus on, arrays and strings. Complete them. If time permits, do stacks and queues. 95% chance that one coding question will be solvable if you master this. For an extra edge, learn some topics like trees and graphs for prime role, as they might help in high level coding questions. So even if your aptitude is average, focus on coding. You can have a solid chance. Final tips: prioritize coding, logical reasoning and cons. Solve at least one coding problem fully. Stay calm and attempt the paper strategically. And boom, you are ready to crack TCS NQT 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more preparation strategies. Also, drop your doubts in the comments and I will try to help. All the best for your exam. Also, if you want me to make videos on TCS NQT coding questions, comment coding below. Your feedback helps me to plan more useful content for you.